I came here to give farewell to Prime Minister because I'm ending my duty in Timor-Leste and I'm leaving at the beginning of January. And I thank his support and also friendship. I myself and my family enjoy very much living in Timor-Leste, and that's a lot of Timor. Express my appreciation to Prime Minister for developing the bilateral relationship. And Prime Minister visited Japan in the year 2023 and agreed to elevate the relationship to a comprehensive partnership. And the Prime Minister met with our new Prime Minister Kaiji, and our Prime Minister congratulated directly Prime Minister Xanana on the Mr. President visited Japan on the occasion of Expo Osaka Kansai, and our parliamentary vice minister and the state minister for foreign affairs visited Timor-Leste every year. So developed well, but I convey my wish to further develop bilateral relationship and by more exchanges at the higher level. And Prime Minister said that Japan is a very trustful partner, and Japan will continue to work together with Timor-Leste. He is very much convinced. And I updated the important projects such as the international airport or national hospital development, and also two private investment projects for the shipbuilding and for solar power plant. So, and Prime Minister moving forward. So altogether, I think last 3 years we can develop our cooperation and the relationship. And I hope that more will happen in the future. We are glad. Thank you very much.
Mr. Kimura, thanks for your service for these 3 years.
Yes.
You have been here. We want to know in here, and what do you hope it will be good in?
I visited many municipalities, local villages. I visited more than 90 sukus, and they have exchanges with the local people. And Timor-Leste is a very traditional society, and I think it is important to develop the rural areas, and we hope that there will be more opportunities for income generation, and we are supporting the local farmers through our cooperation with local NGOs for the industrial nature of Japanese NGOs. So I hope that more will happen in the rural areas, because 1 million people are living in rural areas.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kimura. Can you take a picture together? Because I think we will not meet each other again. Yeah.